So this is a really cute little heater. I currently have it set on the low flame setting, and the heat element is set to 70. So as you can see, it's at the bottom. It does let out a good amount of heat. I have a black rubber mat sitting underneath it. I did see a review where someone said it left a burn mark on their floor. So rubber doesn't burn until like 500 or 600 degrees, and this thing only goes up to like 80 or something like that. So I got this mat at Walmart for like $4. It's just like a rubber doormat. Set it on top of there. Solves that problem. It looks really nice at night. From a distance, the flames look pretty realistic. I have it set at 70 degrees. It does turn off and on. When it reaches the temperature, it does turn off. And I've had it for about 4 days now, and I haven't had any issues. I really like it. I like that the heating element is at the bottom because it keeps my feet warm. I live in an older house. The floor is cold, and this keeps my feet warm. So I really like that. And as you can see, it just turned off. And the flames continue to roll. It's cute.